Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create animated videos with the help of only text prompt. Like you can just put a text there and it will convert into AI videos. And we will use the tool called moonvally.ai, and this is a very new tool in market, but the people are facing problem with it like Discord invalid link error, and we will surely discuss about that problem also. And if you see, if I search on Google Moonvally AI, here come with the first website which is Moonvally, right? And if I open this, you will see here product, it was also ranked on product and on 374 rank. And if you see, the platform is available for beta version. Here it is properly mentioned, try for beta, and you can use it for free because it is in beta, but when they will release premiumly, they will charge you something. But for now, for the current time, it is completely free and you can generate videos easily without paying a single penny. And there are a lot of videos mentioned over here. If you see the Native American video, the details of the video are very good. Like I can see in the all of the examples, there are very good in details and everything is properly detailed in all of those videos, and there is very less flaws as I can see compared to other platforms. There are very less flaws in these videos, so you can definitely try this platform. Now let's go for the try the beta version, and if we click on this, they will redirect on a Discord. Right, you see there is Discord server, and here it comes with popping my, like, asking for my name, so I will just put my name as Batman, and then we will click on continue button. Okay, so after clicking on that, it is asking for, wait, are you human? Obviously I'm human, man, so I will verify all these stuff, and like it is asking for me polar bear, I think so I will click on verify and I will be verified. Okay, so now if you see, I got a problem, invite invalid, and I am not able to even open their Discord server, and many people are facing this problem. This is because they have a server with limited number of people, so, and they are obviously on beta version, so they are not trying to afford the lot of people on their beta version. They are just trying. And if you need a premium link by my side, you can join my Telegram channel. I have shared you the Moonvally premium link of Telegram channel. Like, you will not you do not have to pay for anything. I am not asking for to pay anything. You just join my Telegram channel, and I have shared you the Discord link of Moonvally, and you can just go there and try your different stuff for free. This is very free option for you. But now they are on beta version, that's why they are not doing by official site.